Jacob Eats Good here. Today we're going to change it up and we're going to be drinking good with a Boulevardier. The Boulevardier is a great cocktail and one of my favorites to make. If you're a fan of Negroni and a whiskey lover as well, I think you're really going to love this cocktail. Let's get started.
A Boulevardier is as if a Negroni and a Manhattan had a baby, so if you have the ingredients for both of those at home, you have ingredients to make this. This classic cocktail starts with 1 part Sweet Vermouth. A lot of people have this hanging around for making Manhattans or Negronis, but not a lot of people know that it's just a fortified wine and it can definitely go bad, so it should be refrigerated after opening. On top of your Sweet Vermouth, you're going to add 1 part Campari. Campari is an aperitif or a potable bitters that adds a nice herbal flair to your drink that really plays nicely off the sweetness of the bourbon. From here we move on to my favorite part of this cocktail, 1.5 parts bourbon. You can definitely go with rye here, but to me, bourbon is the choice as I like the sweetness that goes with the Campari and the vermouth. You should go with the whiskey that you like best here though, as it's really what's going to shine through in this cocktail and you're making this for yourself after all. Once you have these 3 ingredients in your cocktail shaker, it's time to add some ice. Add enough ice so that it completely covers the liquid by at least 1 inch or 2. Now it's time to stir your Boulevardier up and get it cold. That's right, stirred and not shaken. James Bond had it wrong this whole time. When you shake a cocktail, it introduces air bubbles into the drink and negatively affects the mouthfeel. While you want a little bit of dilution, you get that from stirring, but when you shake it, you're going to overly dilute your cocktail, and you'll have to start with a sweeter cocktail at the beginning to get the proper taste at the end. After stirring for around 30 seconds, you'll notice that your ice has melted a bit and your shaker should be nice and frosty. This means that your cocktail is ready and it's time to pour. Grab your favorite pre-chilled cocktail glass out of the fridge. I like a nice wide rim coupe like I have here or a good martini glass. And don't forget to get all that drink out. It's good to the last drop. I like to garnish my Boulevardier with a little bit of lemon peel. You can do this with either a paring knife or a vegetable peeler, but I find the vegetable peeler to be a little bit easier to get a nice clean cut. Once you have your lemon peel, squeeze those oils out over the top of your Boulevardier and then drop it into the drink. There you have it, a Boulevardier. 1 part Sweet Vermouth, 1 part Campari, 1.5 parts bourbon. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more. Cheers!